Clancy, what's the matter?
What's the matter? Bird flu, that's what the matter is. It's everywhere. It's on the Fox News, it's on the radios, it's on the podcasts. My mother's calling me, warning me about it. Bridget, it's gonna get me. And if you're not careful, it's gonna get you too.
Dude, bird flu is just
Bridget, bird flu is just fucking no, man. It's a serious thing, okay? Last week it killed a small boy in Vietnam. The week after it killed a slightly bigger girl in China.
Dude, Vietnam, China, this is Alston. The only way you're gonna die is if a rat bites you.
Bridget, bird flu can travel. It can travel fast. Fast as a bird. Oh my god, did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Dude, get up! Just a fucking random house sound. Relax.
I'm sorry.
Look, I got some papers right here. We can roll a nice little joint and everything will be fine.
You don't even know what you handed me, did you? Are you crazy? Sizzling bacon flavored papers?
Yeah?
First of all, that's disgusting. Second of all, you know I'm Jewish. I can't eat any pork product, and I'm definitely not going to smoke marijuana out of bacon flavored rolling papers. You fucked up. You know what? I'm still a little freaked out by that noise.